This is what the media isn't showing you.
The elimination of white people, one thing that I have noticed, because it's impossible not to notice, is that majority white countries are becoming non-majority white. And that's a result of policies that are deliberate, that are not popular with the populations of those countries, and that people are discouraged from noticing it. In some places they're arrested, like in Great Britain. And it's not happening in one or two, but in every single one. Every white country on the planet, except Russia, is on the road in very short order to become completely different from what it was 50 years ago. Targeting people on the basis of their race for destruction is the reason we say we hate the Nazis. And yet that's absolutely happening globally in every white country. Australia, New Zealand, Great Britain, the United States, and Canada. Joe Biden's standing up and being like, the main problem in America is white racism from white men. I can't wait till this is a non-white majority country.